How to start the week 2 assignment. So start by going to the course homepage and launch the Excel keyboard shortcuts page. And in this assignment, and let's take a look at this assignment. I'm going to go Control Tab to get to the previous tab and Assessment and Assignments. And then go to the week 2, whatever team number you are in. And the part that we do before class individually, the first step is we're going to open up our Microsoft Excel document that we work on as a team, but we're going to see it through the lens of Google Sheets. We're going to open it within the shared Google Drive folder. And we do this for versioning issues. We don't want to create different versions that everybody's working on and trying to get them all together again. We just want to work on one sheet at the same time, which you can do in Google Sheets. So we're going to launch Google Drive. We're going to find the team folder and shared with me. We're going to star it so we can find it faster later. And then we're going to go into that team folder, open up our spreadsheet, and go to our company tab. So Control Tab to get to our Google shortcuts. And the shortcuts we're going to be using this time, even though we're going to be using Google Sheets, you'll see a Google Sheets section here. We're going to search for shortcuts by Control L, and within this shortcut search box is the ability to enable compatible keyboard shortcuts with Excel. Mostly. There's a few that you actually cannot use because we're in a browser, but many of them you can. We're going to be going through those today. One of the differences is, you know how in Excel you go Alt F to go File? Well, here you have to go Shift Alt and then the first letter of the menu. But one of them, Format, is the same first letter as File. So that one is different. It's the second letter. It's O. Shift Alt O for Format. But some of the things that we're going to be doing in Google Sheets, that's the same as Microsoft Excel, is copy paste. Now this paste without formatting that we're also going to use, Shift Control V, that does work in Microsoft Excel 365, which you'll have at home, and it works in Google Sheets. It does not yet work in Microsoft Excel that we have in our labs 2021, but I believe that the day will come when it will, because this all over the world, this is being used for every other application, and Excel is just being a stickler for putting it in their regular Excel, but I think they'll change. Control Z to undo. We're going to go Control R for autofill to the right. We're going to use the Control Shift 1 to make it the format. We're interested in the just 2 decimal places. Yes, it puts a comma in the thousands, but we actually aren't going to be using numbers that big with ratios today's assignment. We're going to be creating a chart, the recommended chart with Alt F1. And in the browser, we're going to go Control Tab to get to the next tab and Control Shift Tab to go to the previous tab and Tab T to create a new tab. In fact, that's what we're going to do right now. Control T, making a new tab. In the upper right hand, mouse over the Google Apps and click it and choose Google Drive and go into the Shared with Me, and you should see the folder, your team folder, minus Team 7. Now, if there's so much stuff in here and you want to just search for it, you can. Up here, team and whatever number it is, enter. There it is. Double click it to open it. Now, I want to star it so I can find it quickly and star it later. So click on the down arrow beside team whatever you're in, organize, add to starred. Now, if you click on starred, it's there. So double click on it. And then here is the document. Notice that it's still an Excel document. Double click it to open it. Up here, it also says that it's an Excel document, but we are looking at it and editing it through Google Sheets. And that's the Control Tab. That's the end of the first step.